An important aspect of maintaining good quality control and good inventory and good supplies is keeping a good track of inventory in your areas. So in order to keep all the proper supplies and reagents that you might need, you need to know what you have on hand and have a good idea of how fast you go through those particular supplies. So we routinely take inventory about once a week and keep track of all reagents and supplies. When they get down to a certain level, we reorder them. HCA has a ordering system called SMART, and within SMART all of the contracted vendors are listed in there, and all of the reagents that any given area typically uses are listed in there, and they can go in and order the supplies, and it automatically goes to the purchasing department. And as supplies come in, we receive them and mark them as un-QC'd reagents, unready to use, and they get separated into different areas. Frozen reagents that are not QC'd are moved into a separate freezer from the QC'd reagents we use. Reagents that are not frozen have red labels put on them so that they are designated as un-QC'd and not ready to use, and with the receive dates written on them. And then we move them into appropriate storage. Each reagent as it's received is logged into a database that we've created to maintain our quality control of all of our supplies and reagents and inventory. We log them in, the date they're received, what type of reagent, lots and dots and expiration dates and so forth. Anything we need to know that will help us know what QC is needed for that particular reagent. On this database, they populate work lists that show up in each tech's work area, so that if you're working in a particular area, it comes up on the list that what QC you need to do. And then as the QC is done, we print out a sheet to show that the QC has been done, and it is given to the supervisor, who reviews it and signs it off as either passing or failing. Once the QC has been done and it has worked and it's passed, then it's signed off in the database, and that shows the tech in each individual area that reagent is okay to use and that it can be either moved to the proper storage location or have a green label placed on it, showing that it's okay for the technicians to use.